Welcome to Human Eye on AI. I am Pixel Pia, and I am thrilled to have you here today because I have something truly exciting to share with you. Whether you are a beginner podcaster, video creator, or an AI enthusiast, I got just the tool that can take your project to the next level. So let's dive right in. Today, I'm giving you a quick glimpse into the amazing new tool in Descript, Underlord. Now, you might wondering, what is Underlord? Well, let me tell you. Underlord is a versatile script editing assistant baked right into Descript. It's designed to help you make seamless edits to your video and audio projects. And trust me, it's a game changer. Some of you might remember that I made my very first video about Descript back in 2021. Since then, Descript has continued to evolve, and with the addition of Underlord, it's definitely worth taking a closer look at again. So why exactly is Underlord perfect for you? Here are a few reasons. First off, it's perfect for beginners. You don't need to be a seasoned editor to make your projects look professional. Underlord simplifies the entire editing process, making it super easy for anyone to dive in and produce high-quality content right from the get-go. Underlord streamlines your workflow by offering automated script editing. No more manual tweaks for hours on end. This tool ensures your projects look and sound polished with minimal effort on your part. Worried about the professional quality of your projects? Underlord has got you covered. The seamless video and audio integration ensures that your edits are smooth and professional, giving you work that highly sought after, polished look. One of the best features in Underlord is the interactive feedback it provides for real-time adjustments. This means you can see and hear the changes as you make them, allowing for instant correction and enhancements. Additionally, the user-friendly interface is designed for intuitive use. Whether you're new to editing or an experienced pro, the interface is easy to navigate, making your editing sessions productive and stress-free. And don't worry, Underlord isn't just for beginners. It supports a wide range of editing features from basic to advanced, making it a versatile tool for any level of expertise. This teaser is just the beginning. We're just scratching the surface here. Stay tuned for a comprehensive tutorial series on how to use Descript and its powerful AI tools, including Underlord. I will be going in depth with tips and tricks that will help you master the art of editing with AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on utilizing AI tools for your video podcast and YouTube projects. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and be a part of the change. Bye!